Here's the Grand Lisboa. We're gonna try to get across the street, so let me just get across and then we're gonna go over there and check it all out. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So there's the Grand Lisboa right across from Casino Lisboa. And then you got some, they take tourists around. So it must be kind of open for tourists now. Some beautiful lighting up there, but we're gonna see that from the other side. So in about 11 seconds, we're gonna go across. It looks like we're gonna miss the lighting, so we're gonna get stuck in the middle, I think. But that's the Lisboa, Grand Lisboa. Once we get in the middle, we'll give you a little context of everything. So there we go, Grand Lisboa right there. And we'll give you a nice tour once we get here. So we're on Avenida de Lisboa. There's Grand Lisboa right there. Beautiful, beautiful building. There's this one, Casino Lisboa right here. Also beautiful to look at, especially when you can see those little stardust looking things. And then this one is kind of a central bus depot, and the Macau Tower is way in the background. You can kind of see it changing colors back there. So we are going to cross right now. And there it is. You always have people hanging out in front at all times. Usually they're mainland Chinese tourists, almost always. I hear more, it's not really a place that locals would go to really. It's kind of tourist central. It's hard to get here. It's not hard to get here, but there's nothing here for locals to go to right here. It's not really a shopping area, it's just kind of a casino area. But sometimes those buses bring in people though. These kind of buses right here. These buses, they have a giant bus stop right here, so a lot of times people will go through this area as a local. As a tourist, you might end up spending a lot more time here, potentially. But you'll probably spend more time in the Cotai Strip, or you'll walk all the way down here to Senado Square. There's a beautiful area that's very historical and really well lit up, and just really beautiful area with lots of kind of neon lights and everything. That's way down here. And if you go all the way down, it goes all the way down to the port 16 and such. So I think that would be something that everybody should go to anyways. But this highlight of this video is going to be Grand Lisboa in particular. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to go near the inside part while kind of showing you around out here. There's a restaurant, Taksin. These are kind of restaurants that I always feel like they're more like geared towards mainland Chinese tourists and like tour groups and things like that. These are more larger, massive like that. Okay. I have been in here before. During the COVID era, we just have to put our mask on and on and on and on. There it is right there. So we're just going to stick around the peripheral part, and then I'm going to try to find an interesting place to look back at it. Now you can see there's the inside right there. Not much activity. There are some beautiful like these kind of relics, like historical pieces and things like that. I don't feel like doing the COVID thing right now, so it looks like inside. If I go inside, I have to wear a mask, and I'd rather not. Okay, so what we're gonna do is walk towards the Casino Lisboa, because I know that that's nice. Yeah, especially all this little lighting inside the streets here, parking lot, or the whatever you call that. And that's it from the side. It's quite beautiful. That's it from that side. That's it from this side. Then we're gonna go back, we're gonna go down this way, and we're gonna try to catch it a little bit on this side. So you can still see it, and there's also the bus stop right here too. So we're gonna go by that, and then we're gonna try to capture more from this crosswalk that we're gonna take in a moment. You can take this up there, and then you can do these crosswalk things to the two different casinos as well. It's funny, I don't really take that, but if we did, it'd be right here. I don't know if I have to do a health check if I go in. I'm not really sure.
Doors opening. Porta abrindo.
I guess I'll just go and check it out and see.
Porta fechando. Doors closing. Porta fechando.
Might have to do a health check and a mask. Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna grab this off my wrist. I have a black mask. In Macau, we have to wear this everywhere. We've had to do this for the last 2 years. And I don't know.
Filmin. Footbridge. Passagem superior para Peoria.
Nice, okay. Footbridge. So there we go. So now we can see this part, and we can see this part, and we can see this part. So I'll ride this. Take a look like that. Yeah. Kind of interesting, I think. But I guess we'll come out down that way. Maybe. I don't know if I can film anything in this area. Let's see what's right here. So this is down, and I think once we go down, we can't. That's blocked, so we have to go into the casino. So, anyways, I think that's going to be where we're going to be ending it right here. So I got a chance to see that building from up this side. Okay. Looks like I can just angle all the way down, so there's your trusted videographer, I guess you'd call me. And now we're going to come right back down, and then we can see it from this side, and then I'm going to close this video. So yeah, that's the Grand Lisboa Casino and Hotel from outside. There you go. It's all its splendor. And that's the crosswalk that we just did. So not too bad, eh? Over there, some San Francisco Park. It's kind of pretty. This used to be where the waterfront is, so that little thing right over there is where the water would come all the way up to the top, and that used to be where the beach would come. It's called Grand Praia Avenue. So Grand Praia Avenue is right over there where that thing is at, and it goes all the way down. And I have filmed over there before, and we're on something that's reclaimed land. So all of this that we're standing on used to be in the ocean, including this building and the one that I'm standing on right now. So all this, that's this side of those residential side is all reclaimed. Anyways, let's end it right there. Hope you like this one. Grand Lisboa.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.